Okay, I just replaced the fuel filter on a 2000 Volvo S80 T6. Now, what I'm going to do is attempt to prime the system, which is going to fill up the fuel filter, the fuel lines, all the way to the injectors. So, what I'm going to do is, while the vehicle's still up on the jack, jump in the vehicle and turn the key into the third position about 3 times. 1, 2. Now what's that allowing to do is let the fuel pump push in some fuel into the fuel filter and fill up the fuel lines that we have lost all the way to the injectors. But second time, then I'm going to check for fuel leaks. A third time, and now we're going to start that up. Now we're going to check for fuel leaks. There it is. Fuel filter's clean. I don't see any leakage anywhere. And now I'm going to put some electrical tape before I let it down on the quick connects, just to keep the debris out. And I hope you enjoyed this video, found it informational. And I tune in next time I'm doing a project again. Have a good day.